Meaning of Hard Rock Cafe.
Hard Rock Cafe.
Hard Rock Cafe.
Hard Rock Cafe.
Hard Rock Cafe. Hard Rock Cafe is a chain of themed restaurants founded in London, England in 1971. The name Hard Rock refers to the type of music that the restaurant showcases, rock and roll, which is characterized as having a hard sound. The restaurant also displays various music memorabilia, including guitars, outfits, and autographed albums from famous musicians. Hard Rock Cafe has since expanded to over 73 countries worldwide, offering a unique dining experience and culture that combines food, entertainment, and music. It has become a popular destination for music enthusiasts and tourists alike.